हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू चार्ट ऑफ द डे। सो आज के चार्ट ऑफ द डे के लिए मैंने सेलेक्ट किया दो स्टॉक। वन इज केपीआर मिल्स एंड द सेकंड स्टॉक इज गारवेर टेक्निकल फाइबर्स। सो लेट्स सी हाउ दिस टू स्टॉक्स looks on the chart. So this is the chart of KPR mill, and the stock is actually traded with negative bias after from 7th of August onwards. The stock was trading in a sideways with negative bias, and it has also breached its major uh, key moving averages like 21 DMA, 50 DMA, and 100 DMA as well. But it has protected its 200 DMA, which is the black line. You can see it here, and the stock got support here in that range. And after that, it has actually witnessed some buying interest, but again there was some sideways move for past 1 week, we can say. But आज के trading session में the stock has actually reclaimed its 50 DMA with above average volume, and it has also given the tail line breakout as well. And if you look at its EPS strength, which is 61, and the buyer demand is B, and the number of funds has actually decreased. There is slight decrease in the number of funds in the last quarter to 1.19%. The next stock is Garver Technical Fibers. So Garver Technical Fiber is actually trading in the consolidation base pattern, and especially from you can see like from 19th of June, the stock is actually trading with sideways bias, sideways with negative bias, and it has also got support near its 100 DMA multiple times. यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं जो हरा लाइन है that is 100 DMA, और यहाँ पर स्टॉक को यहाँ पर भी सपोर्ट मिला, यहाँ पर भी नेक्स्ट डे अगेन सपोर्ट मिला, यहाँ पर भी ऑन 20th of August and again here as well on September 4 and September 5th. The stock has our stock was having support near its 100 DMA, and again the stock has actually bounced back from that level. और आज के ट्रेडिंग सेशन में the stock has actually reclaimed its 50 DMA with above average volume. So if you look at its EPS strength, EPS strength is 71, and the buyer demand is B plus. And the number of funds is actually decrease in that. There is slight decrease in the number of fund, that is 1.75% in the last quarter. So thank you so much for watching the video. We will meet again next day with another chart and another stocks. Thanks.